Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can generate the slow motion drone shoots and the Veo AI. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, as you can see, simply we have to open the Veo AI and we have to create our account. And after creating our account, we have to provide the prompt here. And after providing the prompt, you have to hit the right button and it will start generating the video. But if you want to generate the drone AI shoots, if you want to generate the slow mo drone AI shoots, so now what we have to do, you have to choose the option frames to video. I'm going to click on this frames to video option, and now we have to click on this, and we have to click on the upload image, and we have to upload the image which from where we want to create a video. For example, I'm going to upload this random image here, and then we have to click on the crop and save. And after clicking on that, we have to wait for a few seconds. And after that, as you can see, after uploading the videos, we have to click on this option and we have to click on the option. And after clicking on that, we have to choose the animation type, and you will be able to see like the static here. As you can see now, the tilt down here, the tilt up here, the track left here, as you can see, the pan right, the pan left, and you have to choose the animations according to you. Like as you can see now, this is the slow mo and the zoom in drone shoot. And as you can see, this is the jib down. You have to choose the NEF shoots from there. For example, I want like this. And after that, we have to write the prompt here. For example, I'm going to pasting a simple prompt here, slow motion and drone shoots. We have to hit this and the video will be generated. So in this way, you can generate the slow motion and drone shoots on the Veo AI. And I hope you guys understand this video that how we can do that. So thank you for the watching and see you in the next video.